Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to show you how to use sum method on array in JavaScript. So, let's get started. Sum method is a higher order function which check at least one element of array meet the certain condition or not. Based on the condition, it will return boolean value. So, we are going to define an array, called it as numbers, and put some number inside this. Okay, and 97, 87 and 75. Okay, now what if you wanted to know that at least one element in this array is more than 60 or not? So in this case we can use function sum. So let me write here numbers dot sum. Okay, and it is going to take a callback function. So simply I can define function here itself. So I can write number, and here I can mention my condition. So I can write here number should be greater than 60, right? This is our condition, and this function is going to return me boolean value, right? So now I can write here const is greater than 60, right? I have this variable, and now I can print this one. So is greater than 60. Okay, here node index.js. So as you can see here, I am getting true value. Why? Because the number 87 and 75 both are greater than 60. Okay, now what if I will mention here 87, right? Now let me execute once again. So as you can see here, I am getting false. Why? Because I am checking the any element in this array is greater than 87 or not. No element is greater than 87, that's why I am getting this condition as a false. Okay, so if I am putting here equal, it will give me now true, right? Because one element 87 is equal to 87, right? The method sum check at least one element in the array met the condition or not. If yes, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.